Mail day from Two Bros, Minneapolis, Minnesota. Simi Valley, California. And Kevin L. Ricci in Texas. Let's start off with Two Bros. Everybody should know them from eBay. Always fast shippers. Oh no! Tape. Uh-oh. Not good. Can't even find the knife now. Let's see. What do we got here? Be careful. No damage. All right. Getting that damn piece of tape off there, though. (1920) OPG marquee rookies. Dennis Gilbert. And I just got back from cutting trees. I probably should have washed my hands first. Nobody wants to see dirty nails and everything else. Sitting there a little better. 1920 Synergy rookie red. Dennis Gilbert. Been taking it. Oh. Unscratched. I don't scratch them. I'm cutting down trees at a golf course. They're getting rid of all their trees because of the emerald ash borer coming. Who's been here for years already anyway. And I have found, twice now, out of just a couple trees, a golf ball that the tree has grown around. So I'm going to start a collection of those. Maybe display my golf cards with it. This next one from Simi Valley, California. Oh, okay. It doesn't have the price, but I think I paid $1.99. (16-17) Upper Deck Ice Champions, Patrick Kane. Anybody wondering about this cloth I got on the table here? That is not camouflage. That is a result of power washing a hog barn. That was a black t-shirt. Next one from Kevin Ricci, Austin, Texas. Bid $62 for this card. Maybe that'll give somebody an idea of what to bid on eBay. Ooh, shiny. Okay, anyway. Get these out. Anybody seen any of the other videos that I've had posted? There was a hint to this. I want to look at this just before I... This is my first one of one for hockey. 1920 SP Game Used. What is it? Authentic Rookies, or is this SP Authentic? Damn it. SP game used. Authentic rookies, 1 of 1, Dennis Gilbert. Call these green snowstorm. Try and get the best light for you. Here's the back. $62, and I don't remember what the shipping was. Let's have a look, see if they said anything. No. What'd they pay? $2 ounces. So whatever that is. Anyway, that's been a mail day from Two Bros, Simi Valley, California. Kevin Ricci in Texas. First 101. Thanks for watching.